Morning, everyone. It's late morning. I'd say about 10:30, 11. So I got this morning. Was gonna get back at doing my yard cleaning, and the wife was thinking maybe I wanted to do a little fishing. So I think I'm gonna work my way that way. They're up, kind of getting ready. But I told them I'd like to get a video real quick, and I have an order for two 6x6s. I planned on making a bunch out of the crooked logs anyways, but I just had somebody call me this morning, asked me if I had a couple 6x6s 10-foot long, so that's what we're gonna do real quick. I did throw a light edge on the blade. So when I first got this mill, Grandpa had this set up for skip tooth, so I wanted to see how it cut with all the teeth in it, but I'm gonna go back to skip tooth and try it out. The other day when I went to go pick up logs from Dale, well, I didn't plan on picking up logs that day. I was planning on milling and fixing that wheel. So the wheel took a crap when I did the last video, the 6x6s for you guys, and I pieced it together enough, but it was in bad shape. I shouldn't even have been running it no more like that. So anyways, got the trailer tire out, piece of trailer tire on there. I tried it for a second. It seemed to work all right. I would have liked to have gotten a little bit tighter, but so I dug the wheel out up there with the mandrel with the good rubber wheel on it for this. And I'm going to get the last little end of that mushed over area cut off, get that off, and then I'm going to be needing to change my U-joint in this here pretty quick. It's had a little bit of slop. I've been able to just take up that little bit of slop with grease, but it's probably time to change it. So I'm gonna try to do all that at once. I remember Jason's grandpa said the bearing went on easy. It was just the coupler. He had to heat it up and beat it on. So yeah. But I am gonna get one of those little tools for the taking the drive shaft off. Usually when I do a drive shaft, I just beat on that ear and, a few swings and it comes out pretty easy. But this being my mandrel, I don't really want to be beating on it with a hammer, so I'm gonna get one of those little pullers. So yeah, so I'll here maybe later today switch those teeth around to where I'll put one of the old original ones that he already had all wore down. I saved all of them, so I'll go with that, and yeah, hopefully it'll do a better job, because the 40-inch blade is 24 teeth. The 48 rusty one, I'm not sure. It's an F pattern, so it's probably got a lot more. Like this F pattern here has 48. And then the 48 on the back side, the one we were using, has 38. So if I take half of these away, that should give us 24 like the 40. And the 40 cuts fast. So that's probably my quickest cutting blade. So I figure if we go to 24 working bits on this one, that should change things quite a bit. Well, I guess we'll see how it goes. You'll have to wait until later on, though, because I'm probably already blabbing too long as it is. I walked up there a minute ago, and because my Rancher, the choke, or the clutch, just took a crap, so I had to run up and grab the 262. And yeah, so good thing I ordered one this morning. I knew it was acting funny, like the chain was if it got hung up, it was stalling the engine out every so often. So yep, ordered one perfect timing. I swear, not an hour later, and all of a sudden I was cutting through this log here, halfway through it, and it went ring, like I blew the chain, but it was still on. So all right, here we go. Alright, everyone. Appreciate you tuning in. Got 2 6x6s and made a few more 1xs. That last cut, I wasn't even going to waste my time trying to pull one more. I might have got an 8-footer out of that big chunk I took off, but, you know, the boys want to go fishing, so I figured just get her finished up. But, alright, everyone, thanks for watching. Till next time.